Hi guys, today I'll show you how to design this logo, and it's not that about just this logo, it's about the practice. And as in the previous lecture I told you about how to do work with different shapes, and so similarly today we are going to make the combination of rectangle and circle and do a bit of creativity to find such a logo. So start doing it. So first draw ellipse. So here it is. Draw a circle and above it draw a rectangle. Place it in the center. Now just divide it and ungroup it. Delete these ends. Give this a red color, and now this one and this one. So here you got your logo, or you can say just a shape. So it's more about the creativity, it's more about the imagination. It's just the uh, practice. For practice, I told you, I gave this tutorial. Do practice such stuff and create some different creative logos. So thanks for watching. Take care.